Welcome to Regal Design USA. Our first mansion is Casa Modern in Miami. $29.9 million masterpiece in Bay Point. Enjoy 360 degrees rooftop views. Luxury Fendi and Minotti interiors. And a private dock right on the bay. Modern, bright, and designed for the perfect waterfront lifestyle. Now, we rise to 432 Park Avenue in New York City, home to Residence 69. Priced at $55 million. A full-floor penthouse with panoramic skyline views. High ceilings and timeless elegance in every corner. From Miami sunshine to New York skyline. Two worlds of luxury living. Which one is your dream? Presented by Regal Design USA. Property images courtesy of Redfin.